వేదికగా టీడీపీ దాడులను ఎండగడతాం విజయసాయిరెడ్డి. అఖిలపక్ష భేటీ అనంతరం ఎంపీ విజయసాయిరెడ్డి మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఏపీలో 45 రోజుల్లో 39 హత్యలు, 300 మంది పైన హత్య యత్నాలు జరిగాయని, ఢిల్లీ వేదికగా టీడీపీ దాడులను ఎండగడుతున్నామని అన్నారు. ఢిల్లీలో బుధవారం వైఎస్ జగన్ నేతృత్వంలో ధర్నా నిర్వహిస్తామని తెలిపారు. బ్లాక్మెయిల్ చేసే మీడియాను అడ్డుకుని చట్టం తీసుకురావాలని విజయసాయిరెడ్డి డిమాండ్ చేశారు. కాగా పార్లమెంటు బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు రేపటి నుంచి ప్రారంభం కానున్న నేపథ్యంలో శనివారం ఆయన తాడేపల్లిలోని క్యాంప్ ఆఫీసులో వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ పార్లమెంటరీ పార్టీ సమావేశం నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సమావేశంలో అనుసరించాల్సిన వ్యూహంపై పార్టీ ఎంపీలకు వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ అధ్యక్షుడు వైఎస్ జగన్ మోహన్ రెడ్డి దిశానిర్దేశం చేశారు.
In the society should be eradicated and appropriate law should be enacted to prevent this fighting. And the next issue is, you are aware what has happened in UPSC and this OBC, misuse of OBC and PWD certificates and seats of marginalized community. What is the effect of it? Seats of marginalized communities are going to those who are producing the fake certificates, and appropriate sanctions and verifications that are required to be made at the time of accepting the application should be implemented in its letter and spirits. And then the rising inflation is another issue which we have addressed. And the very important issue, I request all the media friends to take cognizance of this. The lawlessness in the state of Andhra Pradesh and the breakdown of the law and order in the Andhra Pradesh when TDP is ruling the state has been brought to the notice of the all party meeting. There are 490 government properties, 560 private properties have been attacked, and 1050 assaults, 31 murders in 45 days of rule. 31 murders in 45 days of rule. And 300 attempt murders, including the brutal murder which you all have seen, and then it has maximum number of views in the recent past. And in fact, we have appealed to the government to impose the precedent rule in the state of Andhra Pradesh to prevent the breakdown of law and order. In fact, I will give one practical example. My own colleague, who is floor leader of YSR Congress Party in Lok Sabha, has been attacked in 3 days back. About 3 days back, when he went there to meet our ex-MP in Punganur constituency, and while he was there inside, some 200-300 TDP goons have come and they started pelting stones on them. And rather than filing cases against those who have pelted the stones, they are trying to book the cases against our own MP. This is the lawlessness. This is the state of affairs which are prevailing in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and this has been brought to the notice of the all party meeting.
So you are demanding president rule.
The only solution is, Telugu Desam party doesn't deserve to rule the state of Andhra Pradesh. They have failed. In fact, many families from all over the state, they have left the villages and they are staying in the paddy fields and as a group to protect themselves. Police have failed to protect the people of Andhra Pradesh, and the only option for the state of Andhra Pradesh is to impose the precedent rule for the state of Andhra Pradesh.
You said so in all party meetings?
Yes, we have said.
Sir.
We have said in the all party meeting that the precedent rule has to be imposed. And finally, I am telling you one more issue which I would like to bring to your notice. Our party president Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu will be coming to Delhi on Tuesday, and he will be organizing a dharna and photo exhibition and video exhibition displaying all 31 murders and the attacks on government offices, attacks on private properties and attacks, assaults, and everything will be displayed and photos would be displayed, videos would be displayed. He'll be addressing the media also, national media as well as the local media on Wednesday.
Sir, did TDP support your demand of special status in the all?
No, TDP is not raising the issue of special category status. They have compromised the issues. They have compromised with the issues of the people with the BJP.
So
And he is coming on Tuesday, and the exhibition and the dharna will be on Wednesday, and the venue would be intimated to media
Whenever
friends.
there were crucial bills in last Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, you bailed BJP-led NDA government.
I would like to clarify. I would like to clarify that the YSRCP would extend only issue-based support. Wherever the country interest or state interest is involved and it is to be supported, we will support. Otherwise, we will oppose.
The stand will remain the same this time also.
It will remain. The stand is, that is the stand what we have taken. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So what is the party stand on NEET and all the junk?